Good morning, good morning. Well, that was a really peaceful, nice night's sleep, that one. And it's a busy car park this morning. The guy's been down strimming, the warden, but he didn't say anything to us. And then there's some bird watchers and some dog walkers, and I would imagine there's a hive of activity going on that lake in the morning, and there's a big forest over the other side. It really is a lovely spot. The car park's been resurfaced. There's not one spot on it that's level, but that's fine as long as you've got some blocks. You can get yourself somewhere near. It's a bit of a struggle for longer vans. We were hanging out, but the chap who lives locally said, "Oh, it won't matter. They can't get anything down there anyway." Oh, crikey, he's off falling over. They won't get anything down there anyway, apart from quads. So it looks like I was okay here from what they were saying. We tried to get out of the way of the keep clear, but tried to get out of the way of everybody else just in case, the cars came later on or noise or anything, but it was deadly quiet. It was lovely. And we slept really well, didn't we? Shell's not really decent. No, she's not, so we won't go in and film yet, but we're just turning the van around from night to day. Hello. If you're new around here, we are Graham, Michelle, Maximus and Freya.
In April 2022, we went to see a 17-seater minibus with the idea of converting it into our very own home from home.
After stripping out all the seats,
we built our very own roof extension,
cast our own side flares,
so we could fit a king-size bed in sideways. We've still got a lot to do in the van,
and although he's not finished yet, he's definitely very usable, with hot and cold running water, full electrics in 12 and 240 volts, a completely off-grid setup. Our videos have been all about the build up until a few weeks ago when everything changed. He's loaded up, but of a different kind. It's time to go. We left our little park up. It was really lovely, that little park up, wasn't it?
Really decent night's sleep.
Yeah. We came to a little village called Coxhoe. They've got a little village hall there with some facilities in, and we got some printed done at the Coronation print press just down the road there. So all is good, and we're going to head off now to find Rivers for Maximus. Rivers for the boy. Just stopped at a Walsingham, if this called. Walsingham, the village or the town. Just got some fuel, and there was a little family park here with a little babbling brook running through.
Hold it and get on it. Oh, that one at Captain You need to put one leg, that leg over. That leg over, no.
If you sit back now, you'll fall off.
I'll put the other leg over.
There you go.
There you go. You ready? Yeah. There you go. Mitch, look. What a room. Goodbye. There you go. that waterfall to swim in. Yeah? Yeah.
So the walk continues on across the field there. We've only done a really short part of it because there's no stones to throw, and he's talking about going back to the van. So we're going to head back to the van and go and find some work for him to do his thing. But yeah, it looks like a circular. It follows the river round. I think there must have been an old mill at some point. But it's a lovely little waterfall, that, isn't it? There's probably more on the river.
Yeah, it is.
But we're not
Really nice.
Yeah. Walsingham, was it? Wallington. Wolsingham, that's it.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're not going to get to see the rest, so
That's the way it goes some days, isn't it? Or most days.
every day. Back to the van and off again. Yeah, here are the walks we could have done. Yeah, so this is where we were if anyone fancies coming into it. Walsingham family walk, and we parked here and just got to there and then had to come back because he'd had enough. But yeah, it looks like it goes all the way around and then comes back down the River Wear. That's Wascally Beck, and Wascally Bridge is the bridge that, but we're going to come back over now and head up into the Pennines. But it looks like there's some nice sights to see. Wow, 1893. That was a bridge replacing the stone bridge for the railway. Walsingham Grammar School, changed to St Mary and Stephen, and then we saw the waterfall. So we saw the best bit. Don't chase them duckies. It's very low, isn't it? I wonder if they've diverted water off back up so they can do the work on the gate over there. What's that? Don't be throwing that at no ducks, poor ducks. Oh, it's going to get there. Oh, it stopped. Come on, away from the ducks. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Some stones?
Yeah. It's pork fajita we're having tonight, isn't it, for tea? There we go. Just thrown in some fresh tomatoes that we needed to use up. And Graham is doing nothing. Chilling out, aren't you? For a change, yeah. Had quite a lazy day, really, haven't we? We got here quite early-ish, didn't we?
Yeah, we went down to that little walk and then just followed the beck up and we got to the reservoir.
Sorry, the fan's really noisy.
Nice place, isn't it? It's really nice to chill out.
Oh, it's lovely. Put the hammock up.
There it is. Hammock's just out the back door, robots on the table, and I was watching all the little birdies go in and out the trees before Maximus shut the doors on me, so he could be alone outside.
Maximus is busy feeding the ducks, isn't he?
Are they having duck fights over the bread? Thanks for watching.
And if you want to support us, give us a like and subscribe, please.
That's the best way to support us is please.
Costs you nothing.
Yeah, it's free. Please like, subscribe, and if you can, share our videos. We'd like to grow our little channel.